Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. How are you all?
I find you.
Okay. Have you all completed your notebook notebook work?
Yes.
I have given you very little work. I hope you have completed it. And what about the workbook exercises? Have you all completed? We had only 2 pages. Did you complete?
Yes.
Yes. So previous work is all completed and today we'll be doing a revision. Okay, children, a recap of worksheet 1 and 2 as we are going to have a periodical test next week. So today, I'm not going to take a new chapter. I'm not going to go to a worksheet 3. So let's revise on worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Okay, children? So, children, I'm going to mute you all. I want everyone to keep quiet. Okay, children? So let's begin today's session. Only 12 participants have entered. What about the rest of them? Okay, so let's begin today's session. Okay, children. So today we are going to revise a recap on worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Okay, nouns and the different types of nouns that we have learned in the previous session. So that it will help us to today we are going to do a revision so that it will help you to do the periodical test next week. Okay, children. So I'm not moving on to the next chapter this week. So let's revise on the chapters. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, let me ask you, what's a noun? First of all, we need to know what's a noun is. Who can give me an answer? Wait, I'll ask you. Siddharth, can you tell me what's a noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what's a noun?
Noun is a
I don't want any
name.
definition. Yes, come on.
Noun is a name
Uh,
of a person,
mm,
things, or animals.
Okay, is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Okay, so when one is answering, others please listen so that you will learn from him. Okay, children, whoever is answering. So you please listen. So a noun, what is the other name for a noun? Abhinav Krishna. Abhinav, what is the other name for a noun? Unmuted, Abhinav. What's the other name given for a noun? Yes. Abhinav? What's the other name? Always we say a noun is a dash. What is it? A noun is a? Okay, Amaya. Wait, I'll come to you later. Okay, Amaya, come on, unmute it and give me an answer. What is the other name for a noun, Amaya? Yes. Amaya, can you give me an answer? What's the other name for a noun?
Naming word.
Yes, very good, Amaya. Noun means naming word. Noun means what, children? Naming word. Very good, Amaya. So I've already told in the previous session that noun is a naming word. Everything in this world has a name. Have you all understood? So names are important to indicate the things, to identify the things. Have you understood? Now I called you Amaya. How did I call your name? Why means names helps us to identify the things. That's why everything in this world has a name. All naming words are called as nouns. Okay, children? So nouns are categorized into person, places, animals, and things. Is that clear to everyone? Now we'll move on to the 2 different types of nouns. Okay, Andrea, come on, tell me what are the 2 different types of nouns that we have discussed in the previous session? Andrea, unmute it. Unmute it and come on, give me an answer. What are the two different types of noun we have discussed in the last session? Unmute it and give me an answer quickly.
Common noun and proper noun.
Very good, Andrea. Very good. So it's a common noun and a proper noun. Now, I'll move on to the next person. Hanna Roshan. Come on, tell me, what's a common noun? Andrea told me there are two types of noun that we have already discussed. That is common noun and proper noun. Good, Andrea. Now, Hanna, tell me, what is a common noun? Okay. What is a common noun? Yes?
Special name.
Common noun. I told you, children, I don't want anyone to read it from your textbook or your notebook. What you have understood, you tell me. We have discussed in the last session. Yes. Others, please don't talk. Please don't talk. Let Hanna give me the answer. Hanna, yes. Unmute it, Hanna. There is still noise disturbances are there. I don't know from where it is coming. Hanna, come on. What is a common noun? Yes. A common noun is a
Special name.
It's not a special name. It's not a special name. Common noun means what? Common. The name itself tells us what? Something in common. So what's a common noun? Yes, Devananda. Wait, I'll come to you later. Okay, Hanna? Okay, Devananda, come on, tell me. What is a common noun? Devananda.
The name given in common
Yes.
to person,
Mm.
place,
Mm.
or things.
Mm.
Animals are called the common noun.
Okay, okay. So a name given in common, she told me. I'll tell you, children, all of you listen. Name in common, it's good. What you have told is right. But still, to be more specific, I'll tell you, a common noun is a general name. Have all of you understood? It's a general name. Are you listening? It's a general name given to persons, places, animals, or things of the same kind are called common nouns. Is that clear to everyone? General names, all of you listen. General names given to persons, places, animals, and things of the same kind. For example, person, doctor, teacher, girl, boy, uncle. Okay, places, city, hospital, pool, park, all these are nouns. Okay, common nouns. Animals, dog, cat, giraffe, tiger.
And
And things, ball, bat, book, car. All these are the general names given to persons, places, animals, and things. Is that clear to everyone? So common means what, children? Common noun means what? General name. What is it? General name given to persons, places, animals, and things of the same kind. Is that clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Now we'll move on to the second type of noun. That is, you have told me that it is a proper noun. Now, Sri Bhadra, now tell me, what is a proper noun? Come on. Come on, Sri Bhadra. What is a proper noun? Yes.
naming word.
Oh, I want what is a proper noun? Nouns are over. Noun is a naming word. That's right. But what is a proper noun? We have discussed about noun. We have discussed about common noun. Now we are moving on to the second type of noun, that is proper noun. Now what is a proper noun?
A name calling
Name of
a person.
Okay, name of a person, place. Okay, but what is this? What is different from a common noun? What do you find different from a common noun? Anything different is there from common noun and proper noun? Or everything is same? What you have
No.
understood? Yes. Come on. Now Sri Bhadra. Sri Bhadra is a name of a girl. Sri Bhadra. What noun it is, Sri Bhadra? What
Proper
noun?
noun.
Common noun?
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Proper
Why do we
noun.
call it Sri Bhadra as a proper noun? Why?
Because that is a name.
Name of a special girl. No, all the girls have Sri Bhadra. No, it's a name given to a special girl. So it's a special name of a girl. So what is a proper noun then? Proper noun is a special name. Have you all understood? Have you all of you understood? So a special name given to a person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. Is that clear to everyone? Clear? Asher, come on, tell me what's the proper noun is. Sri Bhadra, is it clear, Sri Bhadra? Okay,
Yes.
it's a special name of a person. All your names are special names. So Mala is a special name given to a place. School, your school's name is, that is Dr. Raju Davis International School. It's a special name given to a school. Is that clear? So special name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing is a proper noun. Okay, come on. Asher, come on, tell me. Unmute it. And come on, tell me what's a proper noun again. I've explained to you. Now tell me what you have understood. Yes, Asher, what's the proper noun?
Pronoun means
Not pronoun. I'm talking about proper noun. Proper noun. Come on, when we say, tell you something, you listen, children. Proper noun. What's a proper noun?
special name.
Ah, very good, Asher. Special name of what? Special name of? Who? Yes, special name of? Come on. Special name of? Ah, person?
Or thing.
Ah, person only on thing? Person, place, animal or thing. Is that clear? Okay, Shifna, come on, tell me what's the proper noun again. Shifna.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
come on. Yes, what's the proper noun? Let everybody listen. Okay. Shifna, what's the proper noun?
Proper.
Proper noun is a?
Girl.
Is a? Come on, Shifna. Proper noun is what? What it is. Unless we know this, we can't do the exercises properly. Proper noun is a special name. Didn't I tell you, children? Proper noun is a special name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Now, come on, Shifna. Shifna is a proper noun or a common noun?
Proper noun. Ma'am, proper noun.
Yes, very good. Shifna is a proper noun. Adinasi Tarun is a proper noun or a common noun? Come on, tell me. Adinasi Tarun is a proper noun or a common noun? Shifna, tell me. It's a proper noun. Okay, all your names are proper noun. Is that clear to everyone, children? All of you understood the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. Common noun are the general names and the proper noun are the special names of person. Okay, common noun are written in small letters, but proper noun are always begins with a capital letter. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear? I don't want anyone to write anything. We are not going to write anything. We are going to recall what we have learned. Have you all understood? Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Let me see. We can do few exercises. Okay, children, all of you keep your book closed. I hope you have completed all your work. Worksheet 1, workbook exercises, and also the notebook work is over. Okay? If those who are there, those who have incomplete work, please try to complete it today itself. Okay, children? Okay. So today we are going to, all of you look at the screen, don't do anything, fold your hands and listen. We are just going to have a recap on the topic what we have previously learned. That is, recap on nouns and types of nouns. Okay, children, are you all ready?
Yes.
Recap of nouns and types of nouns. We are going to have a revision. Okay, so next week we are going to write a periodical test that will help you. Okay, come on. Now, I've already discussed what a noun is. Noun, what's a noun? It's a naming word. Noun is a naming word. I've written in simple English. A noun is a naming word. Names of what? Naming word means what? Names of person, place, animal, or thing. This we have already learnt in grade 1 and we have also learnt in grade 2. Now we are learning again in grade 3. So you have to know what is a noun is. Understood? So noun, I've already told you with action in grade 1. Name of person, all human beings. Okay, all people belongs to this. Person, place, all places around us. Okay, all places around us. Animals and things. Is that clear to everyone? So noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, or a thing. Now look for the examples. Girl, city, cat, car. Is that clear to everyone? No confusion regarding the nouns. Now we'll move on to the second slide, the different types of nouns. First, we will discuss about the common noun. I told you, common noun is a general name or a common name given to a person's given to persons, places, animals, and things of the same kind. Of same kind. Same kind means boy. For all boys, we say boy. Man, all man, we say man. Girl, teacher, all these are common noun. Book, for all book, whatever the book is, we call it as book. It's a common name or a general name given to persons, places, animals, and things. Have you all of the same kind? For example, teacher is a common noun. City is a common noun. Dog is a common noun. Car is a common noun. Is that clear to everyone? Common noun, is it clear to everyone? Common noun is a general name, or we can say it is a common name given to a person's, given to persons, places, animals, or things. Clear? Clear to everyone? Okay, let's move on to the next one now. Unless you learn one, we can't move on to the next one. Okay, now we are moving on to the proper noun. I told you that proper noun is a special name. First, you think of yourself. Your name is a special name. Have you understood? So every person, every places, every animals and things has a special name. So that special name is known as the proper noun. So I've told you the special name given to any person, place, animal, or thing is a proper noun. So when I ask you, what is a common noun? First of all, you have to tell me, ma'am, it's a general name given to person, place, animal, or thing. Now, what is a what is a proper noun? It's a special name given to a person, place, animal, or thing. That is what I need to hear when I ask you a question. Have you all understood? Common noun means general names of person, place, animal, or thing. But a proper noun is a special name given to a person, place, animal, or a thing. For here, and proper noun always begins with a capital letter. See, everywhere it begins with a capital letter. And you can see Meena is a special name of a girl. Chennai is a special name of a city. Fluffy is a special name of a dog or a cat. Honda City is a special name of a car. Have you all of you understood? Special name. Have all of you understood now? Now let's move on to few exercises which will help us to know the chapter well. So I'll be calling your names. You have to answer to my questions. Okay, we'll start with Raika. Raika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the sentence for me and you have to pick out the nouns and the given sentences. Are you ready, Raika? Yes.
My books are on my desk.
Okay, now pick out the nouns.
My books.
Books, very good. Then?
Desk.
Yes, very good, Raika, very good. So in that sentence, there are two nouns are there, books and desk. Is that clear to everyone? Well done, Raika.
Yes.
Alvina, come on. We'll move on to the next. Alvina, are you able to? Yes. Alvina, read the next sentence. Let me see whether you have understood. Pick out the noun in that sentence.
Sheep give us wool.
Wool. Okay, now pick out the noun.
Sheep.
Sheep. Yes, sheep. Then
Wool.
wool. Very good. Wool. So wool is a thing. So well done, Alvina. Very good. Okay, Adhika. Next. We'll move on to Adhika. Let's see whether she has understood what the noun is. Yes, Adhika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence.
I read newspaper daily.
Okay, Adhika. Yes. Now pick out the noun in that sentence.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Adhika, come on.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Very good, Adhika. Newspaper. Newspaper is a thing that comes to your house daily, isn't it? So newspaper is a thing. So it's a noun. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Is that clear to everyone? Newspaper is a thing that comes to your house daily. So it's a thing. So newspaper is a noun here. Well done, Adhika. Now I'll move on to Naila. Naila, come on. Read the next question. Yes.
The cow is a domestic animal.
Okay, now pick out the noun in that sentence.
Cow.
Cow. Okay, then. Only cow is a noun there? Is there any other noun is there?
Animal.
Animal. Well done. Well done, Naila. Well done. Okay. Now I'll move on to the next person. Okay, Ayan. Unmute it. Ayan. Come on, read the next question for me. There are a few more exercises to be completed.
We have two.
Yes, read the next question.
We have two eyes.
Ah, yes, we have two eyes. Now pick out the noun in that sentence.
Eyes.
Eyes, well done. Yes, eyes. The parts of a body is a noun. Have you understood? Parts of the body are considered as noun. Is that clear? That's the reason I gave you this sentence. So eyes is a noun. Okay. So I'll move on to the next person. I'm waiting for Gauri Nanda. Yes, Gauri. I'll give you the next slide for you. Come on. Next slide is there for you. Now in this slide, we have to pick out the proper noun and also the common noun. Proper noun, we have to underline it. Common noun, we are going to circle it. Okay, let's move on to it. Gauri, who's talking there? Yes, you can talk later, children. Okay, you can talk later to your mother. Okay, now we will listen to our class. Yes, Arav, I'm coming to you. Wait. Where is Gauri? Gauri? All of you switch on your videos, children. Your videos are switched off. Yes, all of you. Some of your videos are switched off. Yes. Okay, if it's not, I'll move on to Shabri now. Shabri, unmute it. Shabri. Shabri. Yes, Shabri, unmute it and read the sentence for me. Yes, read the sentence.
Agra is
A
historical
historical
city.
city. Yes. Now pick out the proper noun in that sentence.
City.
City. Yes. So what we should do? City. City is what noun it is? First pick out the proper noun. Which is the proper noun?
Agra.
Agra, very good. Agra is the proper noun. So we have to underline the proper noun. Okay. Now, common noun, pick out the
Yes.
common noun in that sentence. Which is the common noun in that sentence?
City.
City, very good. So we have to circle the common noun. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll move on to the next person. Very
Yes.
good. Okay, Agna. Agna, come on. Agna. Yes, read the next question for me quickly. Come on, fast. The board is clear now to you? The Ramayana?
Mary drinks milk.
No. Read the second question. The Ramayana is a...
The Ramayana is a holy book.
book, yes. So pick out the proper noun in that sentence. Which is the proper noun in that sentence? Pick out the proper noun.
Book.
Book. Book is a proper noun for you? Proper noun.
Ramayana.
Ramayana, yes. Ramayana is the name of a book. It's a special name of a book. So it is a proper noun. Now pick out the common noun in that sentence.
Book.
Book. So book is a common noun. So we circle it. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, if one person is doing it, rest of you, please do listen. Don't be looking here and there. Daros. Where is Daros? Unmute it, Daros. And read the next question for me. Your video is switched off, Daros. Why is that so? I'm not able to see you. Only those person I can see you, I'll be asking you questions. Others, I will not be asking any questions to you. Okay, Shravan Shiva. Shravan, come on, read the question for me. We have already informed you to switch on your videos.
Mary drinks
Milk, yes. Okay, now pick out the proper noun in that sentence. Pick out the proper noun. Come on, fast. Which is the proper noun there? Yes, you're taking such a lot of time. Yes, come on. Shravan? Huh?
Mary.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you. Shravan, have you unmuted it? Now who's answering? Is it Shravan is answering? I've asked Shravan, no? But he even yes, Shravan, unmute it and give me an answer. Are you able to unmute it? I'm not able to do it. Yes, yes, now you read the question. Yes, Shravan, read it.
Mary
Hmm.
drinks
Mary, yes, drinks milk. So which is a proper noun in this sentence? Come on, fast. It's very easy. Mary, yes. Mary is a proper noun, is the name of a girl. Why are you taking such a lot of time? So which is the common noun in that sentence?
Milk.
Milk, yes. So we have to circle it. Very good, Shravan. Okay, we'll move on to the next person. Adinath Sitarun, switch on your videos. I told you those who have, many of you are, yes, all of, yes. Adinath, come on, read the next question for me. Unmute it, Adinath. Adinath, unmute it. Are you able to do it? Yes. Read the next question. Jimmy is a...
Jimmy is a cute dog.
Yes, cute dog. So which is a proper noun in that sentence?
Dog.
Dog is a proper noun for you.
Jimmy.
Jimmy is a proper noun. So what I should do? I should underline the proper noun. Jimmy is a special name of a dog. So which is a common noun in the sentence?
Dog.
Dog, yes. So dog is the common noun. So I have to circle the noun. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. I'll move on to Advait. Advait, come on, Advait. Yes, who's that talking in Malayalam there? Advait, unmute it and read it. Others, please. Mute yourself. Yes, read the next question.
Ashoka was a
Great king.
King. Others, mute children.
Ashoka, a great
Okay, now pick out the proper noun in that sentence.
king.
Which is the proper noun in that sentence? Huh?
King and Ashoka.
Ashoka is what? Ashoka is what noun it is, first of all? Come on, tell me. Ashoka is a
Proper noun.
proper noun. Is a special name
King.
of a king. Very good. Now, king is a
Proper noun.
king is also a proper noun for you.
No.
King is a
No.
king is what
Common
noun
noun.
it is?
Pronoun.
Common noun. Why means for all the kings we say king. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes. So it is a common noun, is a name given in general to all the kings. Have you all understood? Now we'll go on
Yes.
to the next slide. All of you look at it. Before we wind up the session, we'll do this. Then we'll wind up the session. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Friend.
let me see. Okay, Krishna Kalesh.
Teacher,
Where is
book,
Krishna?
dog,
Very good. Okay.
IT, school.
Friend, teacher,
Krishna.
dog.
Krishna, your video is not on. If your video is not on, I'm not going to ask you any questions. Okay, I'm moving on to the next person. Shabri. Krishna, now come on, tell me. Read the question for me. Unmute yourself and read the question. Krishna. I'll come to Shabri later.
Friend.
Friend. Now what the question is, write the proper noun for the given common noun. I've given all the common noun for you. Friend, teacher, book, dog, city, school. Now you have to find a proper noun for it. Okay, children. So, friend. So find me a proper noun for it. Who's your friend? Krishna. Who's your friend? You don't have friends? Can you hear me? Krishna? Unmute it and give me an
Advait will
answer.
say.
Yes, come on, give me a name of your friend. Only 5 more minutes we
Abhina.
have. Eh?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek is
And
your friend.
Ashuram.
Okay, I'm going to write only one name for now. Okay, Abhishek is a special name of your friend. Okay, Krishna, I'll move on to the next person. Okay.
Krishna Vinodaj.
Who has given me the answer? Advaita has given me the answer. Or Krishna. Okay, when I've asked Krishna. Okay. That's why I'm telling you to switch on your videos. Otherwise, I'm not knowing it. Ajay? Ajay, you're crying or laughing? Ajay, come on, tell me. Teacher. Come on, read that and give me a proper noun for it. Children, the name. Yes, come on. Ajay, come on. He's still laughing. Now give me a, yes, teacher. Give me a proper noun for a teacher.
Pravina.
Yes, Praveena ma'am. Very good. So Praveena ma'am has to be, P should be written in small letter? Capital letter. Very good, Ajay. Praveena ma'am. Okay, Praveen only I'm writing, your teacher. Okay, well done. Now I'll move on to the next person. All should be active enough to say the answers. Okay, children. Some of you are very active in giving in the answers. Okay, some of you are smiling. And Leah. And Leah, come on. Yes, I didn't see you today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question. Book is there. Come on, give me a name of a book.
Science.
Science, no. Science is a subject. I want a name of your book. But this we'll come to. Okay, subject. Any book that you have read. Name of a book. Title of the book.
This story world.
What is that? Some others, please don't give the answer. Only Anlia will give me an answer. I know your voice.
Jack.
I can identify it. Yes?
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Oh, Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, the Jack and the Beanstalk is a story. Okay, or I can tell you Harry Potter. Okay, so I can tell you a Harry Potter or Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, anything. So whatever it is. So name of a book is known as a proper noun. Is that clear to everyone? So let me share the screen for you. I hope so. It's a dog. You can give any name for a dog. Dog is Fluffy, we can give. Okay. So, yes, Julie. Okay, Julie. And city, anyone name a city? It's time up, children. City?
Agra.
City?
New Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, Delhi.
Delhi.
Then a school?
Our school, Dr.
Our
Raju
school.
Davis
Okay,
International.
Dr. Raju Davis International School. Raju Davis International School. Okay, well done, children. Your session was quite interesting. Dr. Raju Davis International School. Okay, all are very active enough. Okay, children, now we'll... Okay, children, so we have come to the end of today's session. I hope it's clear to everyone what's a noun and what are the different types of noun. And you were quite interesting. You're giving me all answers very well. Okay, you all have done a great job. Thank you, children. It's time for us to wind up. Thank you. Bye, children. Bye. Have a great day. Okay, children. Thank you.